Hello everybody, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is toggle mechanism. That is the diagram which is shown in here. This is the basically toggle mechanisms. In the toggle mechanisms you can see here the link is AB is having a complete rotation, while this link BC link having in connection with CD as well as CE, and is having a fixed here. This is fixed and having a turning pair only. Okay, but CD link having a block. Okay, here you can see there is a block which is connected at point D, and this is a rock, and this is a fixed joint fixed here. You can see this is a wall, complete wall, and the rock is inserted between block as well as the wall. Okay, so as you apply the effort, the F is denoted as effort. I'm going to write here F is basically effort that you are going to apply, and here I'm going to write here that is a W, which is a load. W is denoted as load. We need load in order to break this rock. In order to break this rock completely, we need a load. Okay, and this load will come as you apply some effort. Okay, this load will generate. There is angle theta, so I'm going to write here that as theta tends to 0, as theta tends to 0, tan theta will be, we know that tan theta is equal to, that is basically this, and this is 90 degree, and tan theta will be this, and this is basically a W, and this is F. Okay, and this is, here we can say there is a W which is to be distributed, so I'm going to write here F upon 2W. Now F upon 2W means as theta tends to 0, that means tan theta tends to 0, and as tan theta tends to 0, I can say the W tends to infinitive. Okay, so when you apply a small amount of effort, you get a large amount of load in order to break the rock. Okay, so that's why I'm going to write here that this is basically mechanical advantage. Means what? Mechanical advantage we are studying. Mechanical advantage is load upon effort, and load upon effort means load is what? Load is basically a W upon effort, that is F. You can also learn mechanical advantage like that, force output upon force input. We already study mechanical advantage like that, that force output upon force input. So what is the output here? Output is load. Okay, and what is input here? The input is effort that we are going to apply. So here I'm going to write that 2 tan alpha, that is in this equation you can see that 2 tan theta is equal to 1 upon mechanical advantage. Yes or no? If I replace W by F value by tan theta, we will get the relation between the mechanical advantage and the tan theta. So here I'm going to write the mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage would be 1 upon 2 tan theta. Okay, so that is the relation you must have to remember. Now we will study the toggle position in a 4-bar mechanism. So next topic is, I'm going to write here toggle position in a 4-bar mechanisms. In a 4-bar mechanism. Okay, 4-bar mechanisms, so we have to draw the 4-bar mechanisms, and we all know that there is a 4 number of links in the 4-bar mechanisms like that. Okay, and this is the complete 4-bar chain, or you can say 4-bar mechanisms, and this is a fixed link. Okay, this is the input output. You can say, if I'm talking about this as an input link, if I considering this link as an input link, this would be output link. And toggle positions means there will be a extreme position. Okay, so here you can see there is a extreme position of the output link would be like that. This is, and this is. Okay, this is basically a extreme position of the toggle. Okay, so that is extreme position. At the extreme position, you all know that at this position, at the extreme position, omega output is equal to 0. Here omega will be there, but at the extreme position, remember that at extreme position, at extreme position, omega output, angular velocity output will be 0. Omega output will be 0. Okay, if omega output will be 0, then we all know that the mechanical advantage is equal to what it is, omega input upon omega output multiply efficiency of mechanisms. We have studied in the mechanical advantage topic. So here, if the omega output is 0, that means mechanical advantage becomes infinitive. Are you getting my point? So at the extreme position, mechanical advantage would be infinitive. At the extreme position means that is. Okay, are you getting my point? So I hope you will understand what is the toggle mechanisms. Let me explain you that. देखिए, यहाँ पर हमने एक लिंक लिया है, दैट इज इन द सर्कुलर मोशन कंप्लीटली. ठीक है, जैसे ही ये रोटेट करेगा, यहाँ पे फोर्स नीचे की तरफ जाएगा, दैट वुड बी इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन. That is generally the force that we are going to apply. So we can say this is the effort. Okay, जैसे ही effort नीचे की तरफ लगेगा, यहाँ पर दो डायरेक्शन में, इधर की तरफ ये लिंक यहाँ पर कनेक्टेड है टर्निंग पेयर से. दिस इज कनेक्टेड एट द टर्निंग पेयर. ओके, एंड दिस लिंक इज कनेक्टेड टू द ब्लॉक. ओके, यहाँ पर एक वॉल है, वॉल और ब्लॉक के बीच में एक रॉक है. देयर इज अ रॉक बिटवीन द ब्लॉक एंड द रॉक वॉल. So as you make the effort in the downward direction, there will be a generation of force, or you can say generation of load. ठीक है, so यहाँ पर ये इस डायरेक्शन में लोड लगेगा बेसिकली, इस डायरेक्शन में. okay, and there will also be in that direction, but this is the fixed here, though it will not move anymore, but this can be moved. okay, in order to break the wall completely. तो यहाँ पर हमने एक फॉर्मूला देखा था कि मैकेनिकल एडवांटेज इज इक्वल टू W upon F, और here we have seen the another tan theta formula. So at this formula we have seen that we have got the load is equal to infinitive. तो यहाँ पर आप छोटा सा फोर्स, छोटा सा एफर्ट अप्लाई करोगे, you will get the large amount of output. okay, in order to break the rock wall. So that is the importance of the toggle mechanisms. You have to apply a small amount of effort, and you will get a large amount of load in order to break anything. So that is the toggle mechanisms. okay, यहाँ पर 4-bar mechanisms की मैंने बात की थी कि आउटपुट लिंक पर जो एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन होती है, सपोज मान लीजिए कि एक्सट्रीम पोजीशंस मींस द रोकर पोजीशन. okay, extreme positions means the extreme position of rocker. I'm going to consider rocker as the output link. okay, so rocker means incomplete rotation, means you can say partial rotation, or you can say oscillation. okay, we are discussing the toggle position of 4-bar mechanism, but assuming that at output we are having the rocker. okay, rocker means partial rotation, or you can say oscillation. So if there is a oscillation at the output link, so it would be like that. So there are basically two position of the output link, at this and this is. So at the extreme position there is no, that means the angular velocity becomes 0 at the extreme position. So we can say the omega output is equal to 0 at the extreme position only. okay, as we get the omega output is equal to 0 at the extreme position, we can get the mechanical advantage infinitive at the extreme position. Are you getting my point? I hope you will understand the toggle mechanisms completely. Basically in the exams generally they ask theoretical questions, or generally they ask about the mechanical advantage. So you must have to know the relation between the force, load and the effort, and the omega output relations. So